my mail guy just delivered this package. He said that I had to sign for it, and I'm like, what is it? Because I've been tracking this and it hasn't shown that it was on its way, like out for delivery. So I'm super surprised that I just got this in the mail. So I cut it open already. I just want to show you guys what it looks like packaged before we get into the actual video. So far everything seems to be intact, like nothing looks like it's bursted open or anything, no powder spilling anywhere. Ooh, this one's pretty. And I did make a second order, so I'm super excited. I hope that when I am doing the swatches for everything, that everything looks really, really nice. This one isn't missing one, it's just that I ordered 5, so there's 2, 4, and then 5. And then I got a variation of pinks, which looks so pretty. Actually, these two look very similar, but they're 2 different shades. So let's get into the swatch portion. overall, these first 5 are the acrylic swatches, and then the rest are gel polishes. So my thoughts on the acrylic, they're extremely easy to work with. I was using my Mia Secret monomer, and they spread really nicely. I did get a little bit of marbling with the light purple one, which I believe is recommended to use as dip powder, but it's fine because the color still came out pretty decent. So I enjoy the powders. I did make a second order, so stay tuned for that. As far as the gel polishes, they're really creamy and nice and pigmented. These are all 1 coat coverage with a nice top coat. And the top coat, I think, is going to be a new favorite. I mean, it looks like it has a nice high shine finish. And it is a no cleanse top coat, and you saw me feel the top. It is not sticky at all, so I'm excited and super happy that I ordered 5 of them. So I have 4 backups and 1 that I can currently use. And the powders are 2 ounces. And then the polishes are 15 mil. So, or 15 ml, however you want to say it. Both bottles are 15 ml, the regular and the gel polish. And the pigment is really good. I can't imagine what it looks like with 2 coats, because already with 1 coat they look quite pigmented. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little unboxing slash swatch video for Igel Beauty gel polishes and some acrylics. I do have a second order coming with a few more powders and a few more gel polishes. I also did order the gel matte top coat and the easy ombre gel. I'm kind of interested to see how to use that. And I think I ordered the transfer foil gel as well. So yeah, stay tuned for some nail videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like any of the colors, if you're going to try it, anything you want. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. I'd love to have you join the Rose family, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!